Hey guys, first of all, sorry about the quality. I'm filming this from my iPod. Uh, Also, please subscribe. It really means a lot. It's really upsetting when you see YouTubers like PewDiePie who just upload game videos that aren't even Minecraft and they get millions of subscribers, and then people make real content like me and get nothing. But anyways, uh, today we have the SteelSeries Senior gaming mouse, and well, what can we say about it really? I don't know. I was browsing the internet and I saw it, and I thought I'd get it, but I don't know why. Honestly, I already have a mouse. Nothing special, but it's all I really need for Minecraft. And so I guess we'll just get to the unboxing then. Now, you want to be really careful with these things, or it could end up damaging the mouse. Um, so, sorry guys. I have to put this down for a bit. 1 second. Okay, so now we got the cover off, and you can see that it's a nice black color. Looks very slick, yes. Very good. So now we'll get opening the next parts. Excuse me for a bit. So here we are, the complete unpackaged mouse. Uh, it looks pretty good, nothing special. The packaging said that this thing had a light in it, but it's not lighting up now, so I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's broken. But anyways, that's the end of my unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, and goodbye.